So as I was saying, you gotta like get this kind of stuff or some table, and you can like get your laptop and open it. Hmm? What's up, girlfriend? Hey, girl. What you doing? Making my new video. Oh, want us to help? No, but I want to. Fine. Now, so what am I gonna do? You know what? Just give the things to me. Okay. And clean it up. There. Oh, I forgot. Next, you can like open your laptop, like right there, and like fake reset the time and put it to bed and stuff. Then there's like her chair. See, I put it there, and her clothing is going to be just 1 single second. Guys, stole for me. I can't. I don't. Just stop. Okay. Um. Um. Hi. I'm her friend, and um 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 uh um 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 uh, um um girl, just come on, she's back. I'm sorry for that thing. That was my friend who's very, very shy. So now I'm gonna open the box. Like, oops. You can like make it your secret box or your box. And I put it the same. This for me and his. It's me and him when we made our own. When the two of us went to the same camp, we made our own bracelets because we don't want to know each other. So keep it. Now, here's my baggie, and I'm gonna put my baggie because over here for like my school stuff and and put my food there and there, like for the next day. Now I'm gonna put my